Hello everybody, we are back playing some Psychonauts. You guys were begging me to play this.
I'm gonna close my eyes, right? And then I'm gonna start to count to 100, okay? And then you guys hide. Everybody got it?
It's hide and seek, Vernon, not hide and calculus. We've all got it.
I got it. You start counting, and then I go hide in that bush.
Great. 1.
Milka, you're a genius. Come on, Dogan.
Hold on. This reminds me of a story. It's about counting. Hello? Man, you guys are good.
Like, can you go through the back? Oh, your first arrowhead arrow has been made up of whatever that is. A rare psycho. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, but guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys were begging me to play more Psychonauts, so here I am. I don't know where I'm supposed to go for this other guy. This guy's like, meet me in my lab. Oh, cool. Congratulations, you found a PSI card. Collect 9 of these and you can build a PSI challenge maker out of it. Cool. I heard this game was really long. I'm not sure if that's true. But if it is, we'll have this here for a while.
On sale now in the main store, we have a special on Dream Fluffs. You hear me? Dream Fluffs. They're good for you. Keep a pocket full of these for a quick boost of mental health.
Oh, maybe it's good I accidentally fell. Sorry I took so long to... I thought you had to start swinging to jump. That's what it was in the other one, so. Yeah, but this series might go on for 50, 80, 60 episodes. I didn't know it was this long of a game, which is good because I paid 99 cents. It's definitely worth 99 cents. As you can see, guys, I'm a lot quieter in this video. I turned off my decibels, so it's like less than half as loud. Oh, come on. Oh, what the heck? Man, I did not know there were so many secrets. I'm terrible. Again,
crazy, but I have just
Costume Quest won't be that long of a
today.
series.
So yes, these prices are real. Here at the camp store, Psychors are just that cheap today.
So, I'll be I'll be posting more videos though of Psychonauts. I'm gonna actually post 4 videos in a row of Psychonauts because it seems that you guys like Psychonauts a lot better. I forget what button it is or something.
Frozen solid.
Ah, okay, that's where we go. Oh, come on. Oh, good, I got it. Yep, this is where we're supposed to go. I'm guessing this is where the guy's lab is. This is fun, I like this. Oh! That wasn't it, I guess. Okay, guess it's, I had to find it. Huh, that's weird. I'd have to look around the area. I didn't set a timer again, so this might be a long or maybe a short video. But there will be more, so don't worry about a lack of them because
No
there should
passing.
be 1 or 2 today.
But I need to get to Sasha 9's secret lab.
Maybe you should have thought of that before.
I did think of that before. That's why I'm here now.
Exactly. Now you gotta pay the toll.
1 arrowhead.
Pay up.
I found this thing. Is that what you're talking about?
Yep, that's an arrowhead.
How'd they get here?
Frankie, the new kid can't be this dumb, right?
The camp's built on an Indian burial ground, and
Oh my gosh! Indians buried their dead here?
ew! I hope not. No, stupid. They buried their arrowheads here.
Of course they buried their
They're
dead.
hidden underground, but they let out a little gas once in a while.
Just like Coach Oleander.
So if you see any of that stuff, just pull them right out.
Like truffles.
Just like
Anyway,
Coach
let me have one of
Oleander.
yours.
He didn't have anything in his hand. Okay, whatever. Another cutscene. Predictable. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Whoa there, you. Come
Comment
here,
on what you
you.
think.
Can't do the scavenger hunt without a list. Report back to me when you have enough items for your first promotion. Now get!
Scavenger hunt. Find 8 items and get promoted another 4 ranks. Oh, that's cool.
So where do I... Hey, where'd he go? How does that old guy get around so fast?
Huh, that old guy. There's a lot of lag right now. I don't know why. Probably because I'm recording, but it's not too bad. So. Oh, another one of these cards. Man, this place is huge.
Yep.
No wonder this game is 60 hours long. I've heard it's that long, if you 100% at least. Okay, there's a lodge. I wonder what's in the lodge. I like this music. It's cool.
Why, I oughta... Simmer down there, Phoebe. You promised Mia you wouldn't burn any more kids.
Okay. Hey, why are you stopping?
Oh, I thought you stopped.
No. Let's go. Sorry, my bad.
Not to worry, my bro. Let's just pick it up from the part where I do that thing.
That's a guy.
Do over.
2, 3, 4.
Guy? And you like to be branded with a hot spatula, eh? Guy?
One second, I need to see what the controls are to talk to people because for some reason I can't find it. I need to get an Xbox controller so I can play. I wonder if you can link an Xbox One controller. I doubt it. F. Okay, F. F. So F.
And you like to be branded?
Excuse me.
I told you them burgers ain't ready.
No, you didn't.
The coals ain't hot. They're not gonna be done for a while. Maybe a week.
A week?
They're back ordered. I'm the only one back here. These things take time.
I don't even want a hamburger.
Oh, well, why didn't you say so? So, what do you want? Oh, that's my last cobweb duster. Take that into someone's mind with you. You can clean up. They're happy to be rid of the webs, and you can turn them in for Psy cards.
That's rank 20 and 800.
And with that,
arrows.
you can change the color of some of your Psy powers, like your levitation ball and what have
I
you.
care.
Now, here's something every young Psy cadet needs. Now, that dowsing rod will help you find arrowheads that are buried deep. That's raw. Now, you take that Psy core there. Dream
I need
fluffs.
one of those.
Delicious, nutritious,
Psy
and
cores.
cheap. Each one is packed with concentrated
Cheap?
mental health. You shouldn't go anywhere without a pocket full of those.
He thinks that's cheap, and this game so
Now,
far that's
you
not
take
cheap.
that Psy core there, put it together with 9
That's it
Psy
for now.
cards. All right, go get more airheads and come on back. Support your local merchants.
Yeah, you're the only merchant. I
No
believe.
way. You're the best. That was good.
We're gonna end this here soon. I'm not sure how
Hey,
long
Q?
we've been playing for at least.
That last part?
Yeah?
For at least 10
Well, the
minutes.
thing is, see, my dog can scratch better than that.
Okay, first of all, the last time I heard that joke, I fell off my grandma's solar-powered dinosaur and broke my metric buggy whip. Second of all, I
Metric
know my
buggy
dog died
whip?
this winter, so it's not nice of you to make fun of it.
I said my dog.
Oh, so your dog's better than my dog?
No, what?
That's it. I quit the band.
What?
Come on, let's play band fight. Just for a bit.
Oh, not that again. No.
Okay, that was weird. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna end in like maybe 4 minutes. I don't exactly know how much 4 minutes is, but I'll try to just predict it. I'm gonna post a lot of videos today, so I don't want to make every episode 27 minutes or something. And there's a lot of these things. They're everywhere. No wonder the best thing on the store right now. Dude, I can't even get this. There we go. I have no idea where this guy is. Oh. Didn't really enter anything, but okay.
No. Well, yes. My family has this problem with water. It's a bunch of hooey anyway. Some old gypsy curse about how we're all supposed to die in water. If you can believe that.
Oh, I thought it was about the whole thing with the brain-eating fish that walks out of the lake at night to hunt for victims. Well, see ya. Hey Raz, I saw you and Lily talking in the coach's class, and I was wondering, were you asking her to go with you?
What? No! I'm here to train. No distractions.
Excellent. Bye.
Okay, that was very weird. I don't really know what expected from that. Sorry if you guys heard someone in the background. I don't think you did though, because I have a low decibels on, which is how much sound is produced. But he was like, "Oh, I thought it was about the brain-eating fish." I was like, "Duh." This game is really good, actually. Oh, I forgot to mention, I don't know if I already said this on stream, but anyway, if I didn't already, I'm going to play Psychonauts 2. That's right, I'm gonna play Psychonauts 2.
Remember to keep filling up those scavenger hunt forms. We got a couple of big promotions for the winner.
But Psychonauts 2 will come out in 2016. I'm not sure if it's spring or fall. But if it comes out in spring, I might watch it. I might play it later.
I can barely hear you.
That's funny. What the hell even was that? Come on. Stop! There you go. I think you got it. Oh! I'm trying to pick up this. This is literally the only problem I've come across. Come on, pick this up. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong button. Such an idiot. I was pressing Y. Okay. Well, guys, before we're gonna. Is that the same guy?
Hey, Mr. Cruller, can I take out a canoe?
Mr. Who? You will call me Admiral, son. No, you can't charter a vessel. Not without an oarsman's badge.
This old guy's everywhere. So creepy. But guys, I'm gonna end the episode right here. I don't want the videos to be too long. I have no idea how long this video was, but I assume it's around 15 to 25 minutes in between those two numbers. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.